Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kraken King coming back at you. And in today's video, I wanted to give you a quick little sneak peek of a product that I'm working on. And I'm going to call it the ChatterBox Mini Router. It's a 2.4 gigahertz mini travel router that fits in the side in your pocket. And it's the same size as my standard ChatterBox, made off of the same hardware as the ChatterBox. So if you're interested in learning how to connect to an open Wi-Fi like McDonald's or Hardee's and add a little bit more security to your life with a router that's the size of a Tic Tac or smaller. I actually have one available the size of the sticker. I'll show you in just a second, so stick around. But first, as always, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Second Chances 520 on eBay. So if you could scan this here and it should take you straight to the page. You can help support this channel and Second Chances 520 on eBay by buying a book. It's like buying a cup of coffee for me. But you can also find links to the products that you see demoed in today's video, such as the ChatterBox off-grid message board. So you can go to eBay and search off-grid message board. You'll be presented with the ChatterBox. You can check out more details in the description. Today's ChatterBox is powered up. This is glow-in-the-dark rig. And this is going to be simulating our open Wi-Fi McDonald's network where hackers like to live. First, let me just introduce you to this old school router. This is a pretty big size comparison router. This is what this whole segment here is for the next few seconds. This is another little router. It's a little bit smaller. And then goes a little bit smaller here. This is a decent sized one. Fits in your hand and would fit in your pocket. But that's not small enough. Enter ChatterBox router and ChatterBox Ultra Mini router. So this router here is built off of the same platform and hardware as the ChatterBox off-grid message board. And this is similar to the ChatterBox that's offered on my webpage as well. That's a very, very small covert ChatterBox off-grid message board. Now they work all the same, but in today's demo, for simplicity's sake, I'm going to be using this ChatterBox because it's powered by LiPo. And so that's what's going to be simulating our McDonald's Wi-Fi. And so first off, what you're going to do is before you connect to the public Wi-Fi, I'll just go up here and show you that currently, Lord help me, currently the focus is all over the place. So currently we're connected to the 2.4 gigahertz mini router, which is this right here. And that's going to stand in between us and this open Wi-Fi network here, and potentially a hacker that's over here on a laptop using Wireshark, which I'll show you. So first thing to do is once you connected to the little mini portable travel router, you just log into the browser using the provided IP address, and you're presented with this nice interface right here. And so you can change the SSID if you want to put in the Thompsons and then put in your own password. You can change it and hit set. You'll have to reconnect to the new ID that you put on, like the Wilkersons, and then your password, and then you'll be presented back here again. You'll also find the IP address presented on the unit itself, if it could focus. So with that being said, let's move on down the features here and check it out. So I currently have mine set, password ChatterBox, but here is what you're going to do to connect to the McDonald's Wi-Fi. So whatever open Wi-Fi you want to connect to, that's where you enter in right here. And if you're at your friend's house and you need a password, then you can put the password in here and just hit connect, and it'll automatically connect you to ChatterBox. So let's just try that now. So now we have connected our phone via this Wi-Fi router here, and it is connected to the ChatterBox. And to test that, here we'll go in here and we'll just see if everything is connected. So it looks like we're connected to the mini router. Let's just go in here and put in the ChatterBox web face. And now you can see that I'm connected to the Team Legacy's ChatterBox. And now that is currently over here, this ChatterBox, which was used in a demo in a video previously talking about how to use Linux. And this is the leftover data that's on that ChatterBox. But you can also see that I am actually still connected to this router. So everything that is connected to this and open and being seen on Wireshark is actually with this MAC address, and it looks like a little IoT device, but little do they know you're actually connected to a phone. And so that's a cool little way to do a travel router. You can connect it to internet and it still just functions the same. Let me run down some specs here and maybe show you a little bit of the computer. And here I'm going to just leave you guys with some specs here. You guys can pause the video if you'd like, but there's a lot of information on here about the back end of this router and a lot of ways to get in through the CLI and do command line interface. So there's quite a bit here. So I'm going to end the video here. But if you've enjoyed this little launch of the ChatterBox mini travel router and the UI and all of its features, if you've liked that, then smash that like button. Help me hack the YouTube algorithm today. And then if you found some value or want to join the family, then smash that subscribe button. Join the family and be the first in line to get these new kind of products here. Sorry about that, but I'll try to go back down through here on the command lines. But there is a lot to be still learned about this little router, but to just use it as a little Wi-Fi repeater to add a little bit of extra security, I like it. So if you've stuck around this long, I want to thank you very much, and I'll end the video without wasting any more of your time.